The tiny teacher. So students, you are thinking right now that maybe today a very small and tiny teacher will teach you all. Your teacher will be short in height and a small one. No, you can laugh, but it's not like that. Because today your teacher is a tiny one, but it's not a human. Today your teacher is an ant. Yes, you heard it right, ant. But now you'll be thinking, what does an ant teaches us that it became our teacher? So students, we can learn a lot from the ants. Ants teaches us the necessity to plan and look ahead. They store their food during the seasons of plenty so that they will have adequate amounts in the times of scarcity. Ants know that they can accomplish more by working together than by working alone. They set goals and work together to achieve it. So hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe. Welcome to your YouTube channel, Revision Learning. So today we are going to learn a very beautiful story of the tiny teacher, which is from your An Alien Hand book, the supplementary reader in English for the class 7 students. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's class. The Tiny Teacher. The Tiny Teacher is a story that teaches us about the tiniest or the smallest teacher we can learn from. It tells us about the ants, who can be a great teacher if we look very closely. An ant is a creature that can teach us great things about how to become disciplined and more. They are so small, yet they fulfill their duties with full dedication. In fact, they carry out their tasks very sincerely. Further, they are also very hardworking and intelligent as well. You will see them perform a lot of duties, from a cleaner to a soldier. The ants inhabit an anthill where there are hundreds and thousands of little rooms and passages for all the ants to live in. They have a queen ant who lays eggs that become perfect ants. The queen learns all the duties from the old ant and gets ready to survive in the world. Thus, they are creatures who teach us a lot of great things. The story of the tiny teacher is about an ant's life, which is totally remarkable. It is the smallest yet the wisest creature we see in our daily lives. They live in comfortable homes that have hundreds and thousands of little rooms and passages. In some of the rooms, the queen ant lays eggs, where the rest of the rooms are nurseries for young ants. The house of ants is free of quarrels, as everyone carries out their respective duties, peacefully and perfectly. We see how each ant has certain duties and they do it responsibly. Thus, they all lead peaceful lives. In fact, there are people whom we call ant keepers that keep ants as their pets. They do so to document their daily behavior and observe them closely. Ants have feelers which they use to communicate or greet other ants. Although the red and black ones are the most common types of ants, there are various types of ants in general. The mother of the entire population of ants of a colony is the queen ant. The queen ant has got a part of wings that it gets rid of after the wedding flight. Soon after, it lays eggs that go through the life cycle from grubs to cocoons and finally perfect ants. So, we see how it takes around 5 to 6 weeks to complete this procedure. Ants also have the soldiers. The soldier ants guard eggs on becoming grubs. Similarly, the worker ants then carry the grubs for airing, exercise, and for the sunshine. The new ants take on the job of soldiers, builders, cleaners, and much more. The small ants receive training for a few weeks before going out to work. Thus, we see how they work in such a systematic manner. We can learn so many things from this tiny teacher, whether it is hard work, sense of duty, care, discipline, or anything. They are great teachers, we can say. You will never watch ants fight with each other as they are very disciplined and loyal. They are very respectful to each other, and thus they may be little, but they are very significant creatures teaching a great deal to everyone. So with this, students, I hope that you have understood the importance of ants and how the small ants became our teacher, the tiny teacher. Now let's go to the conclusion, or we can say the summary of the tiny teacher. As the title says, even though they are tiny, the ants are big teachers who teach us hard work, duty, discipline, cleanliness, loyalty, respect, and more with their actions and lives they lead. And students, you always remember, the main and important thing that an ant teaches us is that if an ant can carry objects 100 times its weight, we people can also carry burdens many times our size. So with this, I am winding up this chapter, this beautiful, informative chapter, The Tiny Teacher, from where we get to know about the ants, their lives, their way of living, their way of working together in a disciplined and systematic manner. And though they are small, but they taught us a very beautiful lesson how to be well-behaved, systematic, disciplined in our life. And this will be very much beneficial for us in each and every step of our life. So students, this is all about your chapter, The Tiny Teacher. I hope that you have liked my explanation. So if you liked it, then please like this video, share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Revision Learning and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of our videos and updates. So we are going to meet in our next video. Till then, keep studying, keep learning, because your education is our care. And thanks for watching.